Sawadika, welcome to Tiger in the Kitchen. Today's recipe we are making Super Teen Gai or Thai spicy chicken feet soup. And if you're really not sure about the chicken feet, no worries. You can use chicken wings and I'll show you how. It's gonna be the same method, just take different amount of time to cook. And in my version of the soup, I'll also add the chicken wings anyway. Chicken feet is really fun to eat, but chicken wings will actually fill my stomach. And there are a few versions of this soup. This version we are making today is the clean and clear soup with many herbs in it. This is one refreshing soup that I really want you to try.
I'm gonna grab some herbs from my small garden, very fresh. And don't worry if you can't get all the herbs and vegetables, just try to get as many from the ingredient list as possible. Okay, the ingredients for boiling the chicken, we're gonna need garlic, lemongrass, galangal, Kaffir lime leaves, shallots, salt, water, and of course some chicken feet and chicken wings. Now let's prepare. Lemongrass, we're gonna remove the outer layers. If it comes with the top, cut the top off. Clean with the water. Mash with a big knife or whatever handy to you to break off the aroma. Then cut into smaller pieces. The galangal I got from the local market here is quite older, more ripe, I don't know how do we say, than what they usually sell in Thailand. The younger galangal has a smoother skin, so I'm gonna need to shave some of these hard skin off first. Then slice. For garlic, smash and peel. Same with shallot, peel and smash. Then set aside. For chicken feet, some shops will already cut off the tips for you, some don't. If that's the case, cut off the fingertips. Chicken wings, separate the flat and drummet. The wing tips I won't throw away, can be deep fried snack or a chicken stock for later. Chicken's already clean, and chicken feet will take longer time to make it tender, so we'll cook them first, and we'll cook the chicken wings later. Add the chicken feet in the pot, and all the herbs we prepared earlier. Kaffir lime leaves, bruise them before adding so the aroma will come out. Pour 2 liters of water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Cook on high heat and wait until boils. Once the water boils, reduce to medium heat and let them cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, then we can add the chicken wings, which will reduce the water temperature, so we'll need to crank the heat up to high again. Once the water boils again, turn down to medium heat, then simmer for another 25 minutes. You can expect some fat floating on the surface. We're gonna skim it off. Then we can prepare the seasoning. We'll use some chilies. I'm using both fresh and dried, red and green. I love it spicy. You can use as much as you want. We're gonna need some limes, cilantro, spring onion, Kaffir lime leaves, and these two are optional but will be very nice to have. Sawtooth coriander and holy basil. We're also gonna use fish sauce and sugar. We're gonna chop all the aromatic herbs, the cilantro, spring onion, sawtooth coriander. Kaffir lime leaves, remove the stem, fold it in half, and then we can peel it off like this. And stack the leaves up, roll tightly, then slice. Holy basil, we're only gonna need the leaves. Then just chop it roughly. And here we have the bowl of aroma. And we're gonna pound all the chilies. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can mash with a knife and chop it roughly. And limes, we're just gonna squeeze out the juice. The best way to serve this soup is to season one by one, so the herbs won't be wilted in the pot and the lime juice stays freshly sour longer. Also easy to please everybody on different spice levels. Add the powdered chilies as much as you like, and then we're gonna add some mixed aromatic herbs. Squeeze around 2 tablespoons of lime juice. A half teaspoon of sugar to blend all the taste together. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Mix it up. The measurement is not fixed. You can taste and adjust to what you like. It'll taste a little intense right now, but don't forget we'll add the soup in the bowl too, so the taste will be diluted a little bit. The soup usually leads by spicy, sour, and herb aromatic. Now we can add the chicken and the soup as much as we want because it's homemade. And good to go with some steamed rice. Hope you'll try it out soon and love it. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next recipe. สวัสดีค่ะ